Okay, so this part of the shop here is now I don't know what you want to call it. It's a trash haul. It's got everything in it that's all screwed up. There's my ceiling tiles. This week I was hoping to get my ceiling tiles put in, but that didn't happen. But one of the biggest news of this garage is, boom, I have got my garage door in. So I went with a roller style door instead of the track door. My buddy Chris is we're going to try to rig up an opener on this style door. I'm not sure how well that's going to work. I got my heater on my wall. Got another stand here for my dad's old 6-inch bench grinder that I'm going to put a wire wheel on. It's hopefully going to go here. Got my Husky shelves put back up. Put some more braces on the floor to anchor that wall, because that's the wall that was moving out. Computer monitor. I'm gonna have a computer set up in here hopefully, and then I dragged in from the outside the track all, and I am hoping next week that I can start on putting the ceiling tiles in and getting the stereo and everything set up. But oh yeah, I got my last 3 trusses in. So 1, 2, 3, got my trusses in, and then the other thing was I'm having some power issues, so I had to cut a hole in that pegboard. I really didn't want to cut a hole in that pegboard, but I have to get things done. And I got a vinyl cutter machine. I'm going to be able to make my own stickers now. Oh, and I put in this will be for the volume for the stereo. And then we've got my receiver in my toolbox, which I'm not for sure that this is going to be able to stay here, because I did turn it on and the switch works. However, this is a magnet, and I think I'm getting magneticity to my receiver because it was sounding a little funky. So yeah, hopefully everything will work out. I had to make one of the hardest decisions I've made this week. That's going to affect me into February, but it had to be done. So I haven't got super religious, but I have got a little religious. I grew up a Methodist, but God's telling me to do stuff, what I need to do, and He's put me through some stuff in the last 3-4 years that have toughened me up to where I'm going to be able to do what I want to do, and I think it's going to blow people's minds. So, okay, I'm out of here. Hopefully next week I'll be able to work on this ceiling a little bit, but I'm pretty sure with these LED lights we'll be okay with putting the ceiling tile in, because it's overly bright in here. So those mesh screens, those mesh tiles, they'll be able to cut that back. But yeah, a lot of progress this week. I'm real happy.